These are the elevators at Edgeworth Medical Commons in Edgeworth, Pennsylvania. Not sure what these were originally, but they were modded by Otis. I know they did. Lord. And it done twice for going up. Oh, these were probably original Series 1s. Oh. They're modded. Up to 3? Definitely 2 years ago mod. Here we go. Flashing arrow. Definitely sold out there. Back down to 1. Maybe a phone and a laser phone on the phone. The basic snap cab. What? Scab up? That doesn't even make any sense. Someone obviously moved around the letters. Maybe that was just a weird mistake, but I think someone moved around the letters. I don't know what scab up means. Yeah, down flash, no doubt that. I have seen it on Otis before. Is it gonna ding for choice roll? No, it's not.